Our motto is live happy, be active. VirginActive is growing. Across Italy, we now have 33 clubs. In each club, we look after 6,000 members, which is a lot of traffic. All of them, we wanted to have a fantastic experience. Our members want to enjoy their time in a premium environment. Our driver is innovation, so in every gym you can find the newest and most modern equipment and take most innovative and varied classes. Innovating customer experience is very important for us. In a scale from 1 to 10, it's a 10. Scenting is a key element and part of our innovation plan. As a gym retailer, we need to have a structured approach to scentings, and initial premium scenting is the right pattern for us. The level of scenting has been set up perfectly. It gives our customers like at home feeling. They tailor their service from the initial conversation right through to having the scent installed. For us, it was the approach that premium scenting provided. Overall, the premium scenting has been fantastic.